Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am wearing this Gymshark shirt. I want you to see, you can see the little brand says it right up there. So it's Gymshark and it is really nice. It's a form-fitting shirt. I have a size large. I'm about 185 pounds or so and 5'10". So it kind of gives you an idea. And you can see here it goes down like mid-butt or so. It's kind of nice. And it's definitely a tight fit shirt. So if you like a tight fit for running or exercising or something like that, that's usually what helps keeps chafing and stuff like that down. So that's kind of nice to have. And so this is it here. You can see this is what I need to work on there, but it's a nice shirt, kind of pulls me in there and kind of got that pattern of camouflage looking stuff on it. Got their little logo here. The logo, it feels like it's like a rubber print on there. This one too, I guess whatever silk screening or something they're using must be rubber. Not sure what it's made of. Probably some sort of spandex or something like that, but for dry fit. But this is a nice fit, nice shirt for working out, and I like this one. This is good. It's got good feel, and it stretches really a lot. You can see it's got a lot of stretch to it, so you can definitely work out with it. It's not going to restrict anything, but it is a nice form-fitting size. So I like it. Thumbs up.